The Art of Woodworking. Free download, link in description.
Top 5 Best Manual Milling Machine. Number 5. Grizzly Industrial G0758. The Grizzly Industrial G0758 milling machine combines precision, power, and ease of use in a compact package. It features a 1 horsepower motor and a variable speed control that ranges from 50 to 2000 RPM, making it adaptable to various milling tasks. The machine's 7.1 by 17.3 inch table provides a generous workspace for small to medium-sized projects. The G0758 is known for its high-precision performance, thanks to its dovetail column and adjustable gibs. These features ensure smooth and accurate movement of the table, which is crucial for detailed milling work. The digital spindle tachometer is a useful addition, providing real-time speed information to help maintain consistent milling conditions. The machine's cast iron construction provides durability and stability, reducing vibrations for precise results. The Grizzly G0758 is ideal for hobbyists and small shop owners who need a reliable and accurate milling machine. Coming in number 4, INTBUYING Benchtop Mini Milling Drilling Machine R8. The INTBUYING Benchtop Mini Milling Drilling Machine R8 is an excellent option for those seeking a versatile and compact milling machine. This model features an R8 spindle taper, which is compatible with a wide range of tools and accessories, enhancing its versatility. The variable speed motor allows for RPM adjustments from 0 to 2500, providing the flexibility needed for different materials and applications. This benchtop machine comes with a worktable measuring 18.1 by 4.7 inches, offering sufficient space for a variety of projects. The machine's precision is enhanced by the inclusion of fine feed control, which allows for meticulous adjustments during milling operations. The cast iron construction ensures durability and stability, reducing vibrations for more accurate milling. Additionally, the INTBUYING milling machine is relatively easy to set up and operate, making it suitable for both novices and experienced users. Coming in number 3, JET JMD 18 Mill Drill Machine. The JET JMD 18 Mill Drill Machine is a powerhouse designed for serious milling projects. It's equipped with a strong 2 horsepower motor and has a large worktable measuring 9.5 by 31.75 inches, making it suitable for larger and more complex tasks. The JMD-18 operates with 12 spindle speeds ranging from 150 to 3000 RPM, providing versatility for different milling operations. This machine features a hinged belt cover for fast speed changes and an adjustable carbide face mill, adding to its convenience and functionality. The one-piece cast iron column provides structural strength, ensuring stability and precision during operations. The built-in work lamp is a thoughtful addition, improving visibility and accuracy. The JET JMD-18 is well regarded for its durability, precision, and ease of use, making it a top choice for professionals who need a reliable and powerful milling machine. Coming in number 2, PROXXON Micro Mill MF70. The PROXXON Micro Mill MF70 is a compact, high-precision milling machine that's perfect for detailed tasks. It's particularly popular among hobbyists, model makers, and jewelers. Despite its small size, the MF70 offers a solid, vibration-free performance, thanks to its cast iron base and frame. This stability ensures high accuracy in all milling operations. Equipped with a variable speed motor, the MF70 allows speeds from 5000 to 20,000 RPM, which is suitable for fine milling on materials like wood, plastic, and soft metals. The table size of 7.9 by 2.4 inches is adequate for small parts and detailed work. The machine comes with 3 collets, 1/8, 3/32, and 1/16 inch, making it versatile for various tools. Its straightforward design makes it easy to operate, even for beginners, while still providing the precision required by professionals. Coming in number 1, WEN 33013 4.5 amp variable speed. The WEN 33013 4.5 amp variable speed milling machine stands out for its versatility and reliability, making it a preferred choice for both beginners and seasoned machinists. This model is powered by a robust 4.5 amp motor, which delivers ample power for a wide range of milling applications. One of its key features is the variable speed control, allowing you to adjust the RPM from 100 to 2500. This flexibility ensures that you can work on various materials, from soft plastics to harder metals, with precision. The machine's 8 by 3 inch table provides sufficient space for small to medium-sized projects. The high-precision depth stops ensure consistent milling depth, crucial for intricate work. Additionally, the WEN 33013 comes with a spindle taper that accommodates both R8 and MT2 tools, offering greater versatility in tool selection. The machine's compact design is ideal for small workshops or home garages, without compromising on performance.